This is Scrapbook.com, and we're at the Reminisce booth looking at a new winter collection called Snow Day. And this collection is all about your day at the snow. So whether you're driving up to the mountains, or at a ski lodge, or it snows a lot where you live, this collection is so fun. So this is the Snow Day kit, where you can get all the 12 by 12 papers and the sticker sheet. So we're gonna take a look at the sticker sheet real quick. Oops, I'm sorry. Hit you right in the face. This is the sticker sheet that has alphas, a lot of fun little snowy elements like the snowman, the skier, the sledder, skate like no one is watching, so super fun, Eskimo kisses, hot chocolate, caution, trees don't move. That's kind of funny if you have like a minor kind of ski injury. That's kind of silly. And then we have all of the papers for the line, so I'll just show a couple here because they're really pretty. I love this wintry kind of icy lake one. Then I also want to show this one that has all the different small kind of journaling card sizes of ice skates, hot cocoa, sleds, a snow angel, really cute. And then lastly, we have this really pretty layout that was made with the Snow Day collection of these children and their happy face snowman, so super fun. This is Snow Day from Reminisce. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!